Gator here. This is after work in the evening, just getting home from the grocery store because there is a winter ice advisory. I was going to say winter storm, but it's a winter ice advisory in St. Louis and the surrounding areas. And so generally around this time, people rush to the store, and the news had shelves empty because people were preparing for storms and being without power. But it has not begun to rain or produce freezing rain yet, at least not in our area. And the store shelves that I went to seemed to be pretty well stocked. They weren't empty, as the news stated. Not saying they were wrong, I just think certain areas probably panic more than others. And it depends on what area you're in. But we're going to take it day by day here in my house. We're blessed to have our business right around the corner, literally a few blocks away. So in the event we need to go to the office, it is very close. But I wanted to share this video because we're going to relax. I have another one of my corn cobs with some Peter Stockabee, very vanilla. Very good, yes. I will keep you informed if anything changes. However, we're gonna get caught up on some TV, do some work from home. And pray that all is well for the surrounding areas and everyone is safe. Schools are already closing ahead of the storm, preparing to keep people off the roads. And so I wanted to do this video during this time because we'll be in the house and I can actually focus and do this. So stay tuned. I'll keep you posted in the comment section as to how it's going. And again, to see more of these videos, go to jaj2.com and click on the blog tab, and/or subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Gator JAJ2.